Okay. In a given figure, BC is parallel to DE. So this line BC is parallel to DE. Prove that area of ABE. So this is the triangle ABE. This triangle ABE is equal to area of ACD. So this is ACD is the second triangle that we have. We need to prove that area of these two are same. So rather than looking at the figure from this side, I'll rather look at this figure from this side. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So once I'm looking at this figure from this side, so the triangle becomes AED, and this is the side C. This is the intersection C. So this side is this side, and this side is this side. Any doubt?
No, sir.
And I need to prove that area of ABE is equal to area of triangle ACD. Okay. Now when I look here, basically ABE. This is my first triangle, and my second triangle is ACD. This is my second triangle. Okay. Now one thing that I do is I subtract this from both the sides. When I subtract this from both the sides, what do I get? Area of ABE minus area of ACB, area of ACD minus area of ACB. So area of ABE minus area of ACD would be equal to area of ABE minus ACD would be equal to area of area of ACD minus area of ACB would be equal to area of Adi bolo bhai
CBD.
Triangle CBD. So basically I need to prove that these two areas are equal. Area of BCE. Basically I have modified the triangle, because I see in both the triangles I can take this out. So now I just need to prove that this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. Okay. Can we prove that the area of these two triangles are equal?
Yes.
How can we prove that?
So CB will be the common side.
Yeah. And the distance between the two, that is, let us assume it to be h. This distance is equal. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So area of CBE would be half base into perpendicular distance, and CBD would be half base into perpendicular distance, which is h. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So these two would be equal if these two are equal, and of course these two are equal. Any doubt? See, basically in these kind of questions, what you need to understand is, because these are parallel lines. So these are parallel lines. So this line and this line are parallel to each other. So, okay, a simple way of understanding these questions is, so for example, I have these two parallel lines. So this line and this line. Let me assume that this is a side AB. Now I can draw any number of triangles. Area of all the triangles would be
Equal.
They will be equal for a simple reason that all triangles. So let me say that this is C, this is D, this is E. Area of ACB would be equal to area of ADB, area of AEB, for a simple reason that for every triangle half base, the base is common, and for each triangle the height is h. The height is h. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So commonly this is called that all triangles that are formed between two parallel sides with the same base have same areas. Any doubt?
No, sir.
The base should be same. The base should be same, and all the triangles should be between the same parallel sides. So this can be C, D, E, F. All the triangles would be same. I can make a triangle like this also, and the area would be the same. Any doubt?
No, sir.